How to add Chrome extensions on Brave browser. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add Chrome extension to your Brave browser. The process is quite simple. All you have to do first is open up your Brave browser and make sure that you have some extensions. So if you don't find this extensions button up top here, click on the three lines, and then from here you're going to have to find extensions right here. Once you click on extension, you can click on Visit Web Store. Since Brave is also Chromium-based browsers, you can easily use any of the Chrome extensions on Brave. So let's say if I just want to go ahead and search for the extension called this one right here, Video Speed Controller. I'm just going to tap on it. Now all I have to do is click on Add to Brave and then click on Add Extension. Now this extension will be added to my Brave browser and I can use it easily as I use it on my Chrome. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.